AKA Malcolm X. I can't see what it is over there, bro. I can't see what it is, right? Sunset, what's up, baby? Miss Carr, let me hold something. You gonna get it to her?
They about to go slow motion.
You better, hey, you better, hey.
They about to do that slow motion riding, boy. So let's go.
I got a key, I just found the key. Got a little tank in the building holding down. Maya holding it down, yes sir. Maya don't like that camera, boy.
Anybody can ride fast. Anybody can ride fast.
We got another one behind y'all already.
Slow motion, that's where it's at, boy. Let's go.
No, we can't do 3 at a time, just 2. Fix and say 2, bro. You gotta wait till play to get the winner out of this one. Or the loser out of this one.
So they got
Sunset, I think you got him now. Come on.
They're giving away gift cards. We're at Thunder Tower West Bike Night. If you in Georgia, come on to Thunder Tower West Bike Night every Thursday.
I don't know, little time.
Here we go.
She going, Don't stall out. Don't stall out. The foot, all the foot came now. Ah, damn it.
There we go, baby. Let's go.
You ever seen that brother on stage, man? That dude is hilarious.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Comedy show is
Good
hilarious,
stuff.
man.
Good stuff. Good
like,
stuff.
I'm surprised you ain't do the Valentine joint this year, man.
Not easy. Got,
you know
got the winner right here.
Conversation and cocktails going down
right
this Saturday. So look forward, this coming.
These 2 brothers about to go now too. Hey guys, I said Thunder Tower West, man, black-owned Harley dealership.
Tank has a graduation
right here in Morrow,
Georgia.
Georgia.
Saturday also. It's going down to Peachtree City. 9 a.m. Doors open. Doors open at 8:30. But doors open at 9:15. Yeah, 9:15. You can just come at 8. You want to get there by 8:30. Yeah. Oh, here we go. This is a good one. But look, time slow as hell, like. This is gonna be a good one. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Freeway, who got it? Freeway. Oh, this is gonna be a good one.
Woo, let's go, baby. You have to get out of the way real quick. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Slow-mo riding, baby. Anybody can go fast. Anybody can pick the speed up. But can you go slow motion? That's what I want to know. What up, baby?
That's how we do it.
Can we go slow?
It's the G. It's Betty.
Practice,
Freeway.
practice, 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 practice,
Sinbad.
practice.
Mandy.
That's what I'm talking
Support
about.
the crew, man.
Yo, nothing to prove.
Road Runner.
What up, baby? Yo, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Hey.
What up, man?
What up, baby? Good to see you, man.
Yes, sir.
This the man right here. This the man right here.
All day.
Champion, boy. Champion. Let's go, baby. Woo! That sister handled that street glide like a champ. Even though her foot touched down, she handled that street glide like a boss. She wasn't afraid to get in there and go do what she had to do. She handled it the way she should. So all of y'all out there, I'm encouraging you guys to go and practice your slow motion riding, man. Practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to lose. Just keep on practicing, all right? Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, don't forget, man, this is a short video, nothing big. Just wanted to reach in and touch base with y'all real quick. Don't forget Thunder Towers Bike Night on Thursdays. All right, here go my man, J-Boy, Sarge. There we go, baby. There we go. There's always an Iron Bread member hanging around someplace. I can always find them. Them bikes sound good too. Woo, baby. All right, so let me give y'all a little feedback on the people that's out here. Give y'all some I see a bike that got orange accents. Let's see it. One of the things about the Harleys that I love about the Harleys is just the ability to customize your bike the way you want to customize your bike. I don't care if your bike is purple, pink, purple and orange, black and gold. I don't care what it is. It's your bike. This bike, you guys don't get to see the color the way I see the color, but this is a nice color. It's a unique color. I'm not sure if it's a custom color or not, but it's a unique color. I like it. Fellas, all right, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's loud as heck. All right, we out.